Welcome to the Amplus Forms online training. During this module, we'll teach you about the media field and discuss how to manage some of its properties when creating a form. Please take a look at the module 1A on basic properties, common features for instruction on all the basic common properties associated with fields. When you add a media file to the form design panel, you'll give it a unique data name, title text and hint text if needed. And when you do media, it's very important, so please pay attention. Let's add a media field to our form just below our location. You will see here Untitled 6. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to call this media, and then in the title text I'm going to call this media photo. There's a reason for this and you'll see that further in the video. The hint text here, quite simple, take a photo. Below the hint text is the media type property. This property allows you to manage the media type you wish the user to use. As you can see here, I can choose one of image, audio or video. You can now see that when choosing the image, you are able as well, if desired, to include GPS information, desired accuracy, fast GPS capture, and you can display the map type, similar to location field properties. Please see the module on location field to see more on these additional GPS properties. If you want the user to capture video and audio, you will need to place separate media fields onto your page for each one. So as you can see now, we have three different media types: photo, video and audio. Now if I just drop back to the media photo, below the layout and styling, if we scroll down here, you will see in validation and behavior there is a dynamic image. If this media type image is chosen, the property allows you to define a calculation or formula that will dynamically populate an image into this field. Now, an example for this is inputting the data name of a previous with double curly brackets on, or pulling from a URL in your company database. And then if we scroll down in advanced options, we will see here we have a file name. Also, we have capture only and copy to device gallery, as well as apply a watermark text. By default, the app will generate a database name for each file it captures. Use this property to define your own file names using our template syntax for dynamic generation. The file extension is automatically added by the system based on the file type. An example could be a stock item photo. Can have stock item, can then have a space, then a hyphen, then the data name with curly brackets around it. And this would give a file name of stock item with a hyphen separating the date answer in the field date. But for capture only property, the users normally have the option to capture media from their device or choose an existing file on their device. Ticking this option removes the user's choice and forces it to the user to capture a photograph or video or audio. Now the copy to device gallery. By default, the app stores captured photos and videos in a private app location. Ticking this option has the app copy the captured files into the device album gallery for general access. Now the final part here is applying a watermark text. This applies dynamic watermark text to image as part of the capture/choose process. This watermark is generated by defining a formula that has a text result. Multiple lines in the watermark are possible by using a backslash and a small n enclosed within single quotes, and that will generate new text. Apply watermark text examples can be seen in another advanced video on watermark training. The other validation and behavior and advanced options can also be seen in one of our other training videos. Of course, the best way for you to learn is by doing this so we encourage you to create a new screen or form, add the fields and play with the properties within them. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and if you have any questions, feel free to email support@amplusforms.com.